Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prioritizing locations and resources. Head to the closest shrine cluster and activate towers to reveal spawn areas. Gather 3 or more fuel items like apples or meat so you can cook batteries early. This improves carry weight and mobility while exploring. Once done, use lightweight gear and climbing elixirs to reach ledges where batteries and drop spawns appear. Make sure to mark high-yield areas on your map so you can return quickly and begin farming immediately rather than wandering aimlessly. You now set up a repeatable loop. Plan a 4 to 6 point route hitting chests, enemy camps, and overworld caches. Use stasis to freeze moving platforms or creatures, then strike or move objects to expose hidden batteries. This saves time and reveals caches other methods miss. Once done, prioritize enemy types that drop batteries more often, Guardian Scouts, Miniboss Rex, and certain elite enemies, and clear camps fast. Make sure to teleport between anchor points to reset spawns, and keep your route efficient. You finish by consolidating your haul, store and stack batteries, and cook certain combos to gain conditional bonuses like durability or temporary output increases. Once done, fast travel or sleep to reset enemy and item spawns if drop rates diminish. That simple reset often repopulates batteries in chests. Make sure to clear any remaining shrine or tower in the region if specific spawn tables seem empty. Doing so repopulates regional items and restores consistent drops, so your next...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.